use Google Fonts. I'm going to show you how to pull them in and add them to your design so you can use them. Let's go. Okay, so I've added a heading, and the fonts that are built in to Webflow, pretty limited, kind of generic ones for the internet. If you want to add a font, hey look, you can add font. Click on it, opens up a separate tab. Okay, you've gone into your dance portfolio site, and remember general, we've been in there. Notice one that says fonts, okay, which takes you directly to both are open. So we're not going to cover Adobe fonts. They're pretty complicated. There's API keys, and then you might have to get your client to license the font and pay for it, even though you might have picked it from Adobe. So yeah, it's messy. Google that. Hopefully I have some good documentation on it. I'm going to go with the easy one, the one that most Google fonts. So you find your font on fonts.google.com. There's amazing fonts to use. You can pick them, download them, use them on your machine, use them in your Figma design, XD design, and then eventually though you need to bring them into your project. Okay, so you bring them in separately from like your desktop. Okay, so even though you've got it in Figma or XD, it doesn't mean it's in your Webflow project. You kind of like jam it up, do it, and figure out what font I'm using. I'm using Public Sans. It's a good, nice Helvetica wannabe. I like it. And so let's go to Webflow. We clicked on the add fonts. All we need to do is say, this is easy. Should have just started with this. It's called Public Sans. Okay, Public Sans. This is the big part. Like these variants. The problem with adding all these variants is just come on. Problem with it is that it is downside speed. Okay, if you install all of these fonts in your Webflow project, okay, it will take a lot longer for your website to load. And if your website takes a lot longer to load, people don't like it, they punish you, search rankings, they want sites to be accessible, fast, forever, especially on mobile. Just be careful. The main ones are 400, which is regular, 700, 900. If you from Fontland, that's light, that's regular, that's bold, that's extra bold. Okay, you might decide that you need all those. Okay, or you might decide I don't need the light, I need a regular italic, which is that one. Okay, to run the project. Okay, turn these on and off at the end. Okay, we will look at it later on when we look at SEO, search engine optimization, but you can turn them all on for the moment. Okay, and come and turn the ones you don't off later on. Does that make sense? I can kind of tell from my design. I know that in here I've used 400 there. I've used. Tell me. 400. What am I in? I'm in inspect. Don't be in inspect. Be in design. So I've got regular, which is 400, and this one here, extra bold, which is good. I know there's parts of this that are going to be the light version. So there you go. I kind of already know that, and that. So be very sparing on the fonts. Click add, and that's it. If you go in and decide you're going to use 10 other fonts, okay, and add all those, they're going to add up quite quickly. Just be mindful when you are designing and sell it into the client what fonts you're using. Just pick 2, maybe 3, and just a couple of different weights. Because I do all this. That was a long explanation for the font. There you go. Heading 1 is going to be, what we'll do is we'll style out all heading 1s, and they're all going to be public. Nope, it didn't load. Why didn't it load? Probably needs a refresh. So, refresh. Yes. Now let's see if it works. One. Topography. There it is there. You're welcome. There you'll find just the fonts that you've actually picked are in. Alright, and this one has to be black. There you go. Because I'm pulling from my file, which is extra bold. It's weird how they give them different names.